न्यूयॉर्क में बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है और हम बारिश के रुकने का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं ताकि आपको न्यूयॉर्क के साइट्स दिखा सकें। बारिश तो नहीं रुकी। हेलो लेडीज, लेकिन ये माँ बेटे भी बारिश से डरने वाले नहीं थे।
Yesterday we saw the Statue of Liberty, so she really liked, and we saw again and again, and I show her and all the New York.
Yes, but today is a little rainy, so it's
Right. And how do you like New York in the rain?
rain is not good for us.
It's amazing. Yeah. I've been to the Empire State, Top of the Rock, everything.
बारिश तेज होने पर हम तो कैब में सवार हो गए और चले स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी देखने।
Yeah, it does, but you know, when it drizzles, kind of like now, that's when it's actually the worst. When it comes down, usually they're like going at a regular pace a lot of times, so it's kind of weird, but true.
हाँ, कुछ देर को ही सही, लेकिन ठहरे जरूर।